Welcome back to another Mac installers video. Today I'm going to be showing you what to do if you have this folder ? Error when you switch on your Mac. This means there's no operating system to load, and I'm going to show you how to fix it now. So to start, you want to power on your machine and hold Command and R. If you're using a Windows keyboard, this might be the Windows key. Select a Wi-Fi network when it comes on your screen, or plug in an Ethernet cable to your machine. Once it's detected a network or an Ethernet cable, it will automatically start to download the operating system. This will take quite some time depending on your internet connection, and you'll see a rough estimate displayed beneath the progress bar. Once it's downloaded the operating system, which will be the oldest version your Mac supports, it will go into macOS recovery. You want to select Disk Utility so you can erase your hard drive to reinstall macOS. Select your internal hard drive and click Erase, give it a name. I'm going to call mine High Sierra, which is the system I'll be installing, and click Erase. Recovery will then erase your hard drive. Now go into Reinstall macOS, click Continue, accept the terms and conditions, choose your new drive and click Install. Again, this next process will take quite some time whilst it installs the operating system it downloaded to your machine. Once it's finished, you'll be put into macOS setup. This is a standard setup, so you need to choose your language, your keyboard, your privacy settings, sign in with an Apple ID if you wish. I'm not going to here. Accept more terms and conditions, and set up a user account. This is a local account for your computer. Once that's done, follow a few more instructions and your Mac will be ready. You can check what version it's running by going to About This Mac. Thank you for watching this Mac installers video. I hope it has helped someone. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below and we'll try to reply. Thank you and have an amazing day.